Okay guys, so we're gonna test a unit from Factory B now. The first unit we tested was from Factory A. Both of these factories are in China. So I got my clip stuck here, but we are going to, this is a more of a natural, look like a more ethnic type of hair. You see the waves in there and things. So my goal with this unit here, I'm gonna lift it first with bleach. You can see I have the bleach ready, my gloves, my brush, my clips, my T-pins. So once I lift it, I will then add some red to it and see how that's gonna go. I'm excited about colors, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna set this one up and I've already sectioned it and we're getting ready to get to it. See you guys in a little bit. I wanted the red to pop a little bit more in the front, so I'm gonna stop applying this bleach back here after this row, and then I'm gonna go to the front and do that section. So just as a reminder, guys, I'm testing 2 factories in China right now. So yesterday we lifted a curly wig from Factory A, and today this is a more coarse, straight unit. It's a 360. We have, that means that we have net all the way around. It came with 2 combs on the top, comb in the back. But I'm going to remove the combs because I don't like those. You have the adjustable straps in the back. They also came with a little hook here if you want to hook on like an elastic band. But I think what I'll do is I'll just kind of sew one more up in here. But we'll see. We will see. The real reason where we're really testing the durability of the hair, how it holds up with color, the shedding, the tangling, that's what I'm trying to really find out, because I want to ensure that whatever hair that we have on our website to sell you guys is really quality hair. It's a hair that you'll be proud to wear. It's a hair that you can easily manipulate and get the colors that you like and get them done fast. This hair lifted very fast, so I like that about it. It was less than an hour. I had to hurry up and do the application because the hair was lifting that fast. So I'm excited to see what this color is going to look like once it's dry. We're going to flat iron this. Maybe tweak the hairline a little bit. But I'll show you guys the whole process so we can see what we think about Factory B. I'm just going to finish washing it out and then I'll be back with the finished look.